It's Tyler Hansen here. We're out here starting our 1952 Caterpillar D6 Bulldozer. We got to start it because we've got a fuel leak over here, as you can see. We're going to show you how to start this machine and then where that leak is coming from and how we fix it up. We hook our negative and then our positive onto our starter. And we hook our negative and our positive up here. This is a 24-volt system. We just hook the negative and the positive together on 12-volt batteries, makes a 24-volt system. Then, always make sure that it's not going to drive away on us and that the brake is engaged. And then we make sure that the idle is in the correct position so that it'll start. When it's cold in the morning, we squirt it with a little bit of starting fluid and got to get this thing fired up. But we've already been running it today, and so it's not too bad.
Shut it off, he just pushes down on the throttle and that kills it.
Yep.
You always disconnect your battery first, and when you're starting it, you always hook up your starter first.
That way you don't get any sparks.
Yeah, and something that we learned the other day, make sure you tighten down both of your leads hooking the two 12-volt batteries together, because
tighten them down really tight.
If it's not, it'll start melting the stud. All right, well, we'll pull this off and then we'll show you how to fix that line. We're going to braze it. Well, Tyler is taking that hose, that fuel line off. I was over here watching and I found that there's a couple bolts missing in the track here. So I'm going to put them in there. Just got some old bolts out the bolt box and we'll get those in there. I'm searching through my bolt box. Remove this a bit. Ah! Dead frog in here. Disgusting. We get lots of frogs out here. Lots in the shop. Gotta find a plug. I'm gonna just plug that hose out. Pretty sure I have one in here that will work. You never know. Let's see. So I'm over there looking in the box over there. Come over here. Walking around. Wait a minute, do you see it too? Where the hell did I put it there? Always putting stuff where I don't want it to be. Find stuff, I'm like, why? Why did I do that? I have no idea. All right, let's go back out here to the dozer. Tyler's had his finger on the plug this whole time. How's your finger feeling there, bro?
Fine.
What do you think? You think this is the right size? It's the right size plug? No? Just slides up in there. Okay, put some Teflon on it. See if he can even thread it up in there with that much Teflon on. Okay.
It holds.
Let's go braze that line. A little bit of brake cleaner, clean the area up. All right.
Trying to find the hole right now. See where it was coming out under pressure. This has been brazed before by somebody that owned it before, so it's possible that it could be coming from around that. But I don't know, we'll see. We gotta sand it all first.
Clean it all up. May have to get the wire wheel out on the grinder. Oh, right there.
Yep, okay, run it.
Yep, there it is. Gotta be super clean to braze anyways.
Yeah, so it was coming out of right there.
Yep.
So that's it.
Can they see it right there? Yep. You can see that tiny hole. You couldn't see that with all the paint on there. So we cleaned it up real good so we can braze it. Good, file it up. Yep. What we've got here is a Hobart bare braze rod, bare bronze rod, bare braze rod.
It is a brazing rod.
Well, yeah, but it says bare bronze. Hobart. All this is just from Tractor Supply. There we go. Look how pretty.
There we go.
So that should fix that leak. We'll let her cool down. You don't want to quench it or else it can
Crack it.
crack. Yep. So we'll just let it cool down for a bit and go put it back on. Okay, so we're just letting that cool down while we put these bolts in, and then we'll put it back in. That plug's still holding, so ain't the right threads, but it's okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay.
Good.
There we go.
There we go.
There's
Got that bolt put in.
wrench. So we're just getting ready to put the line back on. It's all cooled down. Fast forward to it running again.